Locales are regional languages that can be enabled for the uPerform website. The default locale is English, United States. The system administrator can enable additional locales for users. Go to the upper right-hand corner of the Management Center and click the cog icon to go to the administration settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click Locales. Click Edit to enable and/or disable locales. Select a locale to enable it. Deselect a locale to disable it. Once you have selected a new locale, the default locale can be changed to the new locale. Click Save in the upper right-hand side to save your changes. Once the updated locales are saved, users can select the language in their user profile. Authors can also create or upload content for that language.